Hey young coders! Ready for a light show? Let's jump into a cool coding adventure with our random LED display on Menu L214. Before we start, if you haven't yet, check out our menu navigation video to become a menu master. Got it? Great! Now, press the joystick like a button and, tada! Our LED light show begins. Can't wait to see the lights dance? Push the joystick left to skip the wait and dive right into the sparkle. Want to pause the dazzle? Just flick the joystick left and you're back to the menu. Curious about how we make these lights dance randomly? It's all thanks to Python coding. Here's a sneak peek at the code that brings this magic to life. Want to try coding yourself? You can, with our simulator on your laptop. Need a helping hand? Our AI Chatbot Coding Companion is here to guide you through the code. Find the code, simulator, and your AI coding buddy all on our website at http://schoginitoys.com. Let's make those LEDs dance with code. Congratulations! Remember, with our Schogini Toys DIY Kit, you can learn to create activities just like this one. For more exciting project ideas and updates, be sure to visit our Schogini Toys website and subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channels.